How to use JG.EGWO Lite or Plus to jumpstart a vehicle and inflate a tire. Jump-starting a vehicle can be done in 4 steps. First, switch on the unit and make sure the charge is over 50%. Next, attach the clamps, red to the positive, black to the negative. Plug the clamps cable in the port on the unit. And then, start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, disconnect the cable from the unit, then remove the clamps from the battery. You can simply inflate a tire with JG.EGWO in 4 steps. First, take out the air hose from the back. Screw the air hose directly onto the tire, or connect to the extensional hose before attaching to the tire depending on your need. After that, the current pressure will be displayed on the gauge. Switch on the red button to begin to inflate the tire. The gauge will show the real-time pressure. Remember to stop in every 10 minutes to cool down the inflator for 5 minutes. Once your desired pressure is reached, switch off the red button and remove the air hose from the tire and store it back on the unit. You can either power off the unit manually or wait for it to shut off automatically 30 seconds later. Steps to use the light. Long press the power button to switch on the light. The default mode is long lighting. Press once at a time to switch to strobe, SOS, and off. How to charge devices. Connect the devices from the USB port, then power on the unit to charge. How to recharge the unit. JG.EGWO Jump Starter has 2 ways to recharge: AC port or DC car adapter. Simply connect the unit with the power port. The screen will display the charge level and a flashing in. It isn't until the in stops flashing the unit is fully charged.